Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Owa. I'm currently at the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. We have been telling you everything you need to know about this wonderful project. Work has really gone so far. So guys, sit, relax, and enjoy. I tell you everything you need to know about this wonderful project. The Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway is a 700-kilometer highway which is built on the coastal line of Nigeria and will transverse through 8 different states, which are Lagos, Ogun, Ondo, Delta, Bayelsa, Rivers, Akwa Ibom, and terminate at Calabar in Cross River State. The project, which is divided into phases. Phase 1, which started from Amadu Bello Way in Victoria Island, straight to Lekki Deep Sea Port, which is 47.4 km. Phase 2, which runs from Lekki Deep Sea Port to the border between Ogun and Ondo states, which is 55 km. Phase 3 will run from Calabar to Akwa Ibom, which is 60 km. Phase 4 will start from Port Harcourt to Bayelsa. Phase 5 will start from Delta to Ondo and Ogun border. Each of these phases will run independently, not affecting each other, as work will be done on each phase separately. Phase 1 of this project will start from Amadu Bello Way here in Victoria Island and will terminate at Lekki Deep Sea Port, which will take 36 months to be completed. The phase 1 of this project is expected to be completed by March 2027, and the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway is expected to be completed within 8 years. The project will have 10 lanes with provision for rail lines, but it will start from Jakonde in Lekki. The Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway is being constructed by high-tech construction company under the Engineering, Procurement, Construction and Financing (EPCF), where most of the financial and construction risks are made, with federal government providing counterpart funding. The Lagos portion of the highway is designed to pass through Oniru Beach, Landmark Beach, Alpha Beach, and so on. But presently, the section 1 of the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway is still under construction, which is what you are seeing at the moment. The road construction has really gone far, with the level of works achieved there, both lanes fully done with underground drainage system. Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway is a great initiative which is going to help to reduce traffic congestion, reduce travel time, and link different states together. This ambitious project is set to revolutionize travel and trade along the Nigerian coast. It will also help to reduce travel time, improve traffic flow, and promote tourism by offering travelers a breathtaking view and access to diverse cultures. The Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway is a critical infrastructure which will also connect to the Shagamu-Benin Expressway, ensuring smoother logistics and chain supply across key regions. This project will open up new areas, businesses across the coastal corridor, with plans for future development. The Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway is a major driver of economic growth in Nigeria by providing a reliable transportation route. The highway will facilitate the movement of goods, services, and people, hereby boosting trade and commerce. This great infrastructure will attract investors from domestic and international bodies into the region is transverse. The project will improve transportation infrastructure by supporting industrial growth, reducing logistic costs, and improving access to goods and services to the market. Industries along the highway route will benefit from this infrastructural project, such as transportation of raw materials and finished products, leading to increase in productivity. This project will also spur the growth of hospitality and related sectors, enhancing road infrastructure and food security, which will contribute to the overall stability in this region. The highway will connect different communities together, fostering social integration and unity. It will also provide access to essential services such as healthcare, education, and so on, hereby improving the quality of lives of residents along this route. The Nigerian federal government, through the Ministry of Works, is overseeing this project. The government emphasized its commitment to the project by ensuring timely completion and quality execution. The Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway is a significant project that promises to reshape Nigerian transportation landscape and spur economic development across multiple sectors. The highway will unlock new opportunities for trade, agriculture, tourism, and commerce. The government commitment to deliver this project positions the project for successful completion and long-term impacts. The highway is designed with CCTV camera, solar power system, concrete drainage system, to ensure easy flow of stormwater. The project, which is aimed to encourage infrastructural development and uplift socio-economic activities in the country. The Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway is a bold vision to develop infrastructure, enhance national connectivity, and grow the economy. When completed, the Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway will stand as a testament to Nigerians and capacity to undertake transformative infrastructural projects that will enhance national unity and prosperity in this region. This project is not just a mere project, but an amazing masterpiece that will connect different states together, reduce travel time, and eradicate traffic. This is a vital infrastructure and progress in this area, which will enhance connectivity in the country and create a seamless means of transportation.